If you're manifesting a specific person, you need to stop ignoring your 3D reality. And I know that this is backwards because you always hear, just ignore your 3D, the 3D is old news. But I want to talk about this because me not ignoring my 3D, me actually looking at my 3D reality was the secret sauce to why I manifested my specific person back within 2 weeks after we had been in no contact for over 6 months. And you know that circumstances don't matter, but let's be real for a moment. Let me ask you this. How many months have you been in no contact with your specific person and told yourself that circumstances don't matter and nothing has changed? For how long have you been watching from the sidelines as your specific person is seeing someone new, so there's a third party involved, or he is already in a relationship committed to someone else that should be you? For how long have you been telling yourself that it doesn't mean anything? The dynamic still looks the same. So then the conversation isn't even about whether your circumstances matter or not. We already know they don't. But if your circumstances don't matter, then why haven't they changed yet? Why are you still experiencing the exact same circumstances as 6 months ago? And I hear so many of you say that you feel stuck in your SP manifestation. You don't know what to do about your situation because you're like, it's not changing. You don't know how to get out of your situation because you feel like your circumstances look pretty bad. Right now you might be feeling down, feeling anxious, feeling like you messed something up and your circumstances are never gonna change. And I know that these circumstances can feel like it's the realest thing in the world, that they're not gonna change, that you're not gonna get your desired outcome. But you even feeling this way right now is a sign that we need a different manifestation approach. We can't just ignore the 3D and ignore those circumstances if we actually want to change them, if we want to turn them around and have your specific person show up. What has always helped me when manifesting something and helped me on my SP manifestation journey is getting curious as to why I have these emotional reactions, as to why I'm feeling frustrated that my 3D reality isn't changing, why I'm so bothered that my specific person hasn't reached out, why I'm feeling angry and pissed off that nothing in the 3D is changing even after me doing the self-concept work and all the manifesting techniques and affirmations. Why I'm feeling annoyed that the 3D reality looks the way it looks, that it still hasn't changed, and why I feel triggered over the things that my specific person is doing or not doing. Like why I'm feeling triggered that my specific person isn't here. Why I'm feeling triggered when I see him spend time with another woman, like giving all of that love and attention to this third party that should be me. So instead of affirming against my 3D circumstances or try to affirm to calm myself down, like calm my spirals, tell myself I'm God of my reality and I always get what I want no matter what the 3D looks like. Like instead of doing that, instead of trying to affirm or trying to stay positive and just see things differently in the moment, I became really curious. I was like, okay, like why do I have these internal reactions? Why do I feel this way about the 3D, about my specific person? So instead of ignoring the 3D and trying to pretend that those circumstances didn't matter, I was looking at my circumstances. I was looking at the third party, looking at how my specific person was showing up, which he wasn't showing up for me, but he was showing up for that third party, right? I was looking all of that as direct feedback to who I was identifying myself as. Because your internal reactions, your emotional triggers, they will give you so much feedback as to where you stand in terms of your self-concept, in terms of how you see yourself. Because if we take full ownership for our own creation and we understand that we were the ones creating our 3D circumstances, we were the ones creating the breakup, the no contact situation, the third party situation in the first place. And we can also understand that we are the ones that can turn our circumstances around, but it's not gonna happen by us ignoring those circumstances. They're gonna change when the version of you changes. The version of you that created those circumstances changes. So no, your circumstances don't control you. And they don't mean anything about what you get to have in the future with your specific person. But we have to realize that those circumstances are showing you exactly who you are being in this moment. And if your circumstances haven't changed in months, if nothing in the 3D is changing, and it's been months and you've been doing the self-concept work and all the techniques and affirmations, then that's your fucking answer. That's your answer that you haven't actually shifted the subconscious programs that created those circumstances to begin with. When I personally do this subconscious rewiring work on myself, where I am shifting my subconscious beliefs, my fears, my insecurities, all the things, all those subconscious programs that basically created my 3D reality and my circumstances. I personally like to look at my 3D reality. I like to look at my own creation, and I like to pay attention to and notice what my internal reactions are and my emotional triggers when I look at my situation. Because if you still spiral over the same shit, if you still feel triggered by your 3D reality and the circumstances, and you still feel so frustrated and so annoyed by how your specific person is acting and showing up for you, if you're essentially still having the exact same emotional reactions, that's just a sign that your subconscious programs have not shifted. Because the minute those subconscious programs, like those beliefs and fears, shift, that's when not only will you see yourself differently, you will feel completely differently about yourself. So you will start moving in alignment with this new version of you, with your new identity, because you shifted those programs. But also your emotional reactions will change. You will not be triggered by your 3D reality and by your specific person the same way anymore. And when that shift happens, like internally, when you're shifting those subconscious programs, that's when your 3D reality will change. It's a guarantee, it's a must. Because the world you're seeing right now is a direct reflection of your subconscious programs. Quantum physics tells us that there's infinite parallel realities that exist right now in this moment. And a lot of people are talking about just shifting realities and tapping into a new timeline, the reality where you have your specific person. They tell you to focus on that new version of you that already has that relationship. But what nobody talks about is that you get moved to a reality that matches your subconscious programs. Because even if there's infinite parallel realities that exist in this moment, you don't have access to any other realities right now. You don't have access to a reality where you're in a happy, healthy, committed relationship with your specific person right now because of your subconscious programs. Because your subconscious mind is the part of your brain that is in control of your being state, that is in control of how you see yourself, like your identity. I want you to imagine all of these parallel realities like movies playing in the movie theater. And the movie screen in the movie theater is your 3D reality. Is exactly what you see right now in your physical reality. And the movie that you see playing out on the screen is not random. It comes from the film projector. Somebody put in that film into the film projector, and now it's projecting that film onto the movie screen. And that film projector back in the movie theater, that's your subconscious mind. It cannot think for itself and it cannot do anything else but to play out on the movie screen in your reality the exact tape that it holds onto, which is basically your subconscious programs. Your beliefs, your fears, your insecurities, all of your assumptions and expectations. So right now, if there's a horror movie on the movie screen and you don't want to see a horror movie, you're done with that 3D reality and those circumstances. You want to see the most beautiful love story with you and your specific person play out on the movie screen. So what do you need to do to see a new movie play out on the movie screen? To get exactly the kind of reality that you want with your specific person. Where he's head over heels in love with you. He can't get enough of you. He adores you so much and chooses you, and you know what you need to do to get that exact reality. You need to walk up to the film projector. You need to go there, take out that horror film that is currently playing. The horror film where your specific person doesn't love you, doesn't choose you, doesn't want a relationship with you, doesn't see a future with you, isn't ready for commitment, whatever. You take that out and then you put in your love story. Exactly the reality that you want to create. And this is exactly what I help you do inside my Specific Person Accelerator program, which is the one and only place to be for manifesting your specific person and seeing real results, actually changing your physical 3D reality, flipping all of those circumstances around so that you can get the exact person that you want to be with. That's why instead of trying to ignore the 3D, pretend that those circumstances don't mean shit, we take back control. We take back control over our reality. We walk up to the film projector and we change that fucking film. We obviously do this through shifting your subconscious programs. Shifting those subconscious beliefs, those fears, those doubts, insecurities, assumptions, expectations, all the things that have created your current 3D reality and your circumstances. If you're not inside the Specific Person Accelerator yet, what are you waiting for? Because the price will go up very soon. I have received so many incredible, amazing success stories from the clients inside this program. It blows my mind every single time. This program is about so much more than just manifesting your specific person. And when you go through the program, whether you want that same person or not is completely your choice. But what this program ensures is that you will never experience the same patterns in love again. The same patterns that lead to heartbreak. The same patterns of getting rejected, ghosted, left behind, being not chosen, and maybe even replaced by someone else. You will ensure that you will never experience those same patterns in love again. And that's why it's so fucking powerful. And not only that, the clients that have signed up for the Specific Person Accelerator program, they have taken the exact same method and used it, applied it for manifesting everything else in their lives, for shifting all other areas as well.